here I am. It's my birthday. I'm in my birthday tracksuit, sweatsuit, birthday suit. Today is the day. It is my birthday. It is 7:15 p.m. and we are going to bake a cake. Have I ever baked a cake before? No. I think I made cupcakes at some point. The most like baking of sweets I've ever done perhaps is like cookies that you break and bake. But we have all of our ingredients already ready to go, and we're just gonna hop right to it. I'm very excited. So here's my plan. I'm going to make a sheet cake about this big and then try to save a tiny little bit of batter to make just 4 madeleines, which I will be using as decoration. I think first what we'll do is grease these, just because I don't want to forget. So I'm just gonna pour a tiny bit in here, to be honest. And we're gonna grease that pan. You didn't hear anything I just said. All you heard was crinkle, crinkle, didn't you? I have to admit, I'm a tiny bit nervous just because I've never made a cake and I know that there's more science to it than throwing a bunch of green beans and cream of mushroom in a thing and just letting it kind of incubate together. You know, there's actual science going on with this. And I'm going to take this and very delicately, only in the 4. It was either my grandmother's or my great-grandmother's, so like, we have to be delicate with her. Now we're gonna flour the pan. I don't know how much flour to use. It just says to flour it, right? Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna take a teaspoon. I don't know what I'm doing. This is the moment in time when I'm scared of making a mess. I looked up a tutorial on YouTube. I don't know if it was a good one, but we're doing it. Don't mind me. This is probably not right. Oh, I need to get edges. That was actually the best thing I could have done. Otherwise, I would have forgotten this part. I don't know. You stay over here, and then I'm gonna put a tiny bit of flour in these. This could probably be done in a better way, but I love the smell of flour. Okay, on to the mixing of things.
Beat, cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in large bowl. Mix until
moistened.
Beat with mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes.
We don't have a mixer, at least, well, we do, but I don't know where it is. But I have this one. So this is what we're gonna be using. And spatula. We're gonna go for it. Why is it like this? Okay, fine, I'll use scissors. These are evidently the worst scissors on the face of the planet. Because I'm putting this in first. I feel like you're supposed to mix your wet ingredients together first, and then this smells so good. Okay, I'm doing the eggs. And I have olive oil. It just says oil. Yeah. Mediterranean, so all we use is olive oil in this house.
Oil in this house. Got some oil in this house.
Now for some water. Let's do this. Please don't make a mess. Please don't make a mess. This is magic if I ever did see it. Why would we ever use like electric things? This is like, I get the bonus of a workout. Okay, it's getting harder now. I feel like I need to use you a little bit. Scoop from the sides into the center. This is very satisfying to watch. I get why people bake now. Like the mixing of the ingredients is actually magical. And I like how it changes consistency, and I get it now. It's so pink. I don't know what to do with this now. It's getting more difficult now. That's nice and
Yeah.
Did I seriously just do this? I kind of remember a thing about Rosanna Pansino talking about peaks in your batter. Like when you do this, you should have peaks. I'm gonna try folding the batter a little bit. Look at me acting like I know what I'm doing. I wanna lick that, but I'm worried I'll do something bad to my tongue. Set you over here. Don't fall, just stay there.
It smells so strawberry.
I think it's stirred well enough to start pouring it in. It looks like a good consistency, so I think we're gonna be ballsy now and pour it in here, question mark? How should I do this? I've never done it, so I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I inhaled some of the dust from the packaging because like the inside of my mouth tastes like the fake strawberry flavor. And I'm not mad at it, but it's really making it difficult to do this without just like... I know you're supposed to like... You know what this reminds me? The color of oobleck. You know, the Dr. Seuss book. So I'm gonna try. Junior's like, I want to stay here. She's playing with food. He ran through the office. Go. I'm trying to do a kicking video, you guys. Oh my gosh. I just realized I'm doing this with my left hand because I'm like, why am I being so awkward? I'm doing it with my left hand. I'm semi-ambidextrous. Like, I will do things with my left hand if it's a better angle to do the thing at. But then it's always a little slow and awkward in movement, and I'm like, why am I having such a hard time? And it's like, because you're using your left hand. Wow, my OCD is really popping out right now. Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna put them in the oven. This has to go in for 34 to 38 minutes. And these would go in, these I'm probably gonna babysit and we might pull them out early, which you will know in a few moments. But for now, we're gonna put them in the oven. Whew. That wave of heat is the absolute best. Only slightly burned myself just now. Okay, maybe I'll put that in the oven a bit. We're gonna do 30 minutes just so I can come babysit it, and there's 5 minutes on the other timer, which would be the perfect time to go and check on it. And for now, I'm just gonna try to calm down. Hello and welcome back. It's been 5 minutes. I want to check on the Madelines with my toothpick to see if it comes clean. They look good. They came out pretty clean. I think I'm gonna wait precisely 2 more minutes and take them out. Also, I licked all of the stuff clean. I know I'm an animal. These are for sure done. Okay, we're gonna set her down. We have Madelines. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. So now we let these cool and see if they pop out. They look like they might pop out. I'm so excited. Oh, they're gonna be the cutest little decorations ever. Oh my goodness. No way. It's 8:30, so you know what that means. I'm starting to get sleepy. Okay, it is time to take this cake out. I'm gonna set the Madelines aside. They're pretty much cooled off now. And we're gonna whip this cake out. I'm so excited. Wow. We're gonna check with a toothpick just to make sure. Perfect. Awesome. Cake! While we wait for the cake to cool off, I'm gonna go watch some RuPaul's Drag Race and open my birthday present. My birthday got me. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll be back in a jiffy to decorate this cake and then inhale it. Welcome back. So here's our dish, very party-esque. Here is our cake. So I think I might cut it in half in here, and I'm gonna measure it.
I just want them to be even. Is that so much to ask for?
Is that weird? Am I weird for doing that? Probably. It cuts so smooth. Okay, so I'm just gonna plop it on here, I guess. Use this. I don't know. This here first, like this. Scary, 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 scary. Scary. Not working. Just scary. Is it gonna unstick? Okay. That was intense. Okay, so before we do anything, I'm gonna grab jelly because we're gonna put a layer of jelly in between. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Strawberry preserves. We are going to slather it in. I'm just gonna put jelly on it as if it's a big, giant piece of toast. Very excited. Beautiful, gorgeous, flawless. I'm tempted to just like, there we go. There we go. Wow. really want to trim the sides. I have a steak knife. So as you can see, this side is nice and flush, but these other sides are kind of lumpy and weird. Nothing wrong with being lumpy. Just in this case, I want it not lumpy. You can try some. Oh yeah. I don't know how people make cakes so perfectly. I literally don't understand. I think it's pretty good. I've never made a cake before, so be nice. Now I have the frosting, if I can get it open. I swear I'm strong. This one, the tab just bends really. Please, just open. Thank you. Icing. Nervous about this? Like, I don't know how much it's going to, like, stick. I might pop this in the microwave. That seems better. That seems literally more liquidy. Rosanna Pansino makes this look so easy. She sits on a throne of lies. Ah! Is it bad if I just use my hands? Actually, she uses a piping bag. Oh no! We're trying. We're really. This is me really trying. I just have no idea what I'm doing.
It's ruining my masterpiece.
I feel like I kind of get it a little better now. Does that mean anything will be easier? No. Like I'm losing my mind. I like how I thought, you know what, my next step in baking is making a pie. I can barely make a box cake. Well, I made the cake. It's the decorate. It's the challenging part. Which I feel like that's all a pie is the challenging parts. Slide over here. No, no. I think I might have finally found something that I'm like not that good at. At least not on the first try, that's for sure. The answer now is to put it in the freezer for a little bit so it gets solidified, and then to put more icing to make it smooth and pretty. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna put her in the freezer for a few minutes. Let's finish this cake. She's a lot less jiggly, so maybe we can ice the sides nicely. Yes, that is what we want. I'm so happy. I figured it out. Is she perfect? No. Is she better? Yes. She really went on a vacation by herself, did some self-reflection, came back glowing inside and out. We're getting there, we're getting there. So I found something that isn't my thing, but I'm kind of okay with it. Like, she has personality. So I have mad lines over here. How do you think I should do the mad lines? I don't think symmetry is the thing to go for on this. Let's take one of the mad lines, put her daintily in the corner, another one daintily in the corner, and then how about we put this one here, this one, kind of like up there. Oh, it's cute. Thank you. It's really taken all of my willpower. Should I put the fun pretty sprinkles on there, or will they clash? But here she is now. I'm pretty happy with her, but we're gonna go for the sprinkles because
Why not?
I'm trying. So now that there's sprinkles everywhere, I think I'm done. So what's her good side? I think it might be from here. She looks pretty cute. Okay, don't drop it. Here's my birthday cake. She pretty.
She is. She looks like she has cute ears.
She does have cute ears. I did it. I made a cake. It was a journey. You know, it's about the journey, not the destination. I mean, this is actually kind of about the destination. We got there. She's not perfect, but who is? You know, she still has flair. She's still fun to be around. And I can't wait to eat a bite of her. So we're gonna do that. I don't want to cut her. I could never be a baker. She isn't even like amazing looking and I'm like, I can't. We're gonna do a little taste test. This is from when I trimmed the sides. Try it. Eat it.
Tastes good to me.
It's really good. Okay, that's the video. We're gonna sing happy birthday now. We need cake. But subscribe if you want to see me attempt to bake a pie in the future. I'm sure that will go just as smoothly. Like this if you learned nothing. Comment everything I did wrong. And I will thank you for the constructive criticism. Do it nicely though. I'm fragile, obviously. I'm gonna eat cake now. Bye.
You stop it.
Make it end. Okay, I'm going to chop up my child now that I spent hours making. Doesn't feel wrong at all. I don't know how bakers do this. Please don't fall apart. Please don't fall apart. Please don't fall apart. Please don't fall apart. She's falling apart. And I don't know what to do. It's like the ice falling beneath my feet all over again. I'm trying. Plate spinning. Why is the plate spinning?
I can't help. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. Okay, May, that's your piece. I'm gonna put a Madeline on there for you. I have like no brain power left, so this is very challenging. Stop falling! Stop it! Okay, this is so wrong. Ah! Okay. It's just not working. Now, what piece would you like, Mom? There we go! One piece! Slow falling. I'm gonna try to get it sideways. Can you go on your side? Are you willing to do that for us? How do people do this? Bye! Subscribe! I'm gonna have cake now.